So first of all, you look, pour some red wine in this glass and try to see if there are any impurities. Obviously, the glass is pretty dirty, so you cannot actually observe it properly. But you can assume that it is free of impurities. Next, what you try to do is give it a smell. The smell that you are looking for is dried leather or benzene. Because what happens is some of the cheap wines, something like this. These are all most of the time these are mixed with those kind of additives. However, it doesn't have those smells, so I'm assuming this is good, and it is it is pretty much chill. So if there were a waiter nearby, I would have given him a go ahead, and I would have started with my wine. Now I can give it a full pour, which is approximately, give me a guess,
180 ml.
180 ml, correct. So I give it a good pour. I have no idea whether it's 180 ml or not.
It's पूरा glass ही 180 ml का है.
That's it. But I have to give it a complete pour. And so, Surya's Punjabi.
Now this is the white wine we are talking about. So you can see there is a difference between the two glasses. Why there is a difference, I will let you know. Basically, you are not supposed to hold the wine like this for a white wine, because the temperature of the hand will influence the temperature of the wine in the glass. So you have to hold a stick. But in case of red wine, you can hold it like this. It doesn't matter, because the temperature, taste of the red wine, it won't differ much with the temperature, but it affects this a lot. So this is the glass for white wine, and you can taste. And there is a difference in little bit of this.
And I think we should also get some views from our host, Mr. Das.
So I just want to know one thing. So we generally don't drink red wine in this glass.
No.
This glass is made for
white
wine.
And you have to supposed to hold with the stick.
Okay. Okay. Because if I hold it here,
your hand temperature will affect the alcohol.
Right.
But you can hold this with your hand like this. There is no difference, because this has more tolerance of temperature. Red wine has more tolerance of temperature.
Although if you are in a some kind of society occasion, you'd still try to touch it in a proper manner. And
the proper way.
Yeah, and so hold it in a proper manner. So the ideal way of holding a glass of red wine is always like this.
आप दोनों cheers करो और पियो.
I was coming to that.
Now cheers it and drink and give your first impression.
Yeah.
First of all, take a smell. What is the fragrance coming?
We have already done that.
Let Jyotirma try. Any fragrance coming out of it? Any familiar fragrance?
Not old leather or benzene, I guess.
Benzene का तो smell, I don't know how benzene smells. But old leather type to smell, it's not coming. Baki, it smells like any wine.
What is that smell? How do you describe it?
It's not a very strong smell.
What is the smell? What is the thing familiar to you that reminds you of the smell? It need not be something exact, but the familiarity is important. Like what?
Does it smell like
fermented bread or something like that?
Okay. There is nothing wrong or right. Whatever you feel is the correct
It can
answer.
also be the smell of white earth after a fresh rain.
अच्छा you तू बता तेरा क्या है?
Definitely, I didn't get that.
हाँ. Now you tell what is the smell you get?
It smells like a rainbow.
Huh?
It smells like a rainbow.
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 How does rainbow smell like?
Yeah, you have to smell this.
But rainbow is a color. It is not a smell.
No, you can smell it. You just need to smell this.
It's a very nice round, मतलब अच्छा smell है. Very nice smell.
This is the smell of a rainbow.
This smell is better than the white.
This has a more stronger smell.
Because it smells like a rainbow.
Now before it gets cold, I suggest both of you sip it.
Before it gets hot.
Hot, sorry.
Cheers, man.
Cheers.
अच्छा.
या तो शेक करो.